Hello guys, kumusta na kayo dyan? I'm Mary Chris, here in New Mexico, isa akong guro. At katatapos ko lang magluto ng hamburger at saka nagsangag, nag-fried rice. Ito yung nagagawa ko kasi nga nasa summer vacation ako ngayon and I'm doing all these things, serving my family, cooking for them, taking care of them while my digital business runs on automation. So yan ang ginagawa ko for more than 2 years, and this business is giving me additional income for my family, kaya I'm just not depending on the pay that I get from my teaching job because I have a business that also runs with me. Very flexible and very portable. So di ba nagagawa kapag kahit you are doing your chores, you are at home and taking care of your family, cooking for them. Well, my business, kasi ang business ko, it runs on automation. I'm just using small packets of time the whole day. So kahit 30 minutes lang, 2 hours the most every day. And it's very flexible. So kasi ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, you need to have additional sources of income. If you will just depend on your pay from your regular job, that would not be enough. That is just enough to pay the bills. So comment interested so I can send you the valuable information.